I posted a video the other day talking about how much I love the NYX Epic Smoke Liners for tight lining, and some of you had questions about where does tight lining go, what does it do, how to do it, so let's break it down. So tight lining isn't on the top of the eyelid. It's not between the lashes and the brow. It's under the eyelashes on the strip of skin just underneath the lashes up against the eye, similar to down here, which we call the waterline. What tight lining does is disguise that top strip of skin underneath your lashes, and especially with an eye look like this that I want to wear lashes but I don't have on top eyeliner to really disguise that lash band. When someone's looking at me head on, I don't want them to see that strip of skin underneath my lashes. So to show you the difference, this eye here has eyeliner on the tight line and this one doesn't. Do you see how it just makes the lashes look fuller and it will disguise the lash line a little bit better? Tight lining can be tricky for a beginner, especially sticking a whole pencil in your eye, but these Epic Smoke Liners, you can twist them up this far and they don't break, and these are by far the easiest pencils I have ever tight lined with because you're just putting the product up against that skin. The liner has just enough slip and opaque coverage to get it right on that tight line to make things look fuller. But I hope that helped you understand tight lining a little bit more. Make sure to follow me for more tips.